Alright guys, we're here in the heart of the city. We're in capital city, Kingston. If you don't know the heart of Kingston, we can't help you and not calling any names, right? Alright, so here what? We're here with Monique. Alright, so we're going to give Monique an opportunity to win a free shipping coupon. Yeah, we're on the trail. You can come, ma'am. You can come. We are recording live. It's not a gimmick, alright? So we're giving her the opportunity to win a free shipping coupon, right? All she have to do is answer a simple question. After she answers the question, she chooses some of these envelopes for a prize. One of them have been a movie prize, right? One of them have the real prize. So money inside to the guests with the folks. Alright, cool. So, she said her hi. Let's see if she can win something today, right? Simple question. Monique, how many days a week do we ship? So come back. How many days a week do we deliver your packages to your doorstep?
Every day.
Every day. How many days that? 7 days a week. Alright guys, you heard it? We deliver to you. Alright. 7 days a week. So if it is Sunday, you're going to get your package. If it is Saturday, you're going to get your package. If it is Monday, you're going to get your package. Alright? So she win half. Show with the dance there again. She win half, right? And a dance. But she needs to win this other half now. So which one of these envelopes have the price? She needs to choose one. She peeping. Alright, so she chooses this. But let me open it for her. Let me open it for you. Alright, so she chose the big one. I don't know why she chose the big one. So let's see what she wins. Nothing. Me not say nothing night. Me not say nothing night, folks. We have to go. And Joe, look what she win.
Upside down, upside down.
Look what she win. Oh, I have it. Congratulations, she won a free shipping coupon. Let me see the dance. You won. If she don't dance, you're not supposed to give it to her, right? Give me the dance. Give me a dance. If you give me a dance, then I'll get to it. Give me a dance. Alright, she's not dance, but she still win her free shipping coupon. So guys, what are you waiting for? Sign up, join us today, so you can win. You don't want free this? Later.